The ZV25 machine is a compact vending solution that enables customers to enjoy natural, chilled, freshly squeezed juice at any time. Recommended for large spaces or establishments such as hospitals, care homes, shopping centers, schools, universities, airports or sports centers, it is also ideal for small and medium-sized companies. In its interior, it contains the Zummo Z14 machine, which incorporates a unique world-patented juicing system, which halves the fruit and squeezes it without the juice coming into contact with the peel, avoiding contamination with its oils and acids, and producing a high-quality juice with 100% natural flavor. In addition, the juicing process is always visible. The machine includes an automatic cleaning system to maintain the highest standards of hygiene. And offers a number of optional devices available depending on compatibility. The Zummo vending machine is the most advanced and practical solution for supplying the best freshly squeezed juice.